In this video, I'm showing you guys how you can create a server and then let people join. So it's simple and easy to do this on Discord. So launch your Discord app like this. So you can see the plus button there. So I have two different servers on Discord. You can see the one that has a picture. You can see the two pictures there at the bottom of the messaging. So now you need to tap on this here. Good. So when you tap on that, you create your own server. By creating your own server, you tap on this here. Good. So the server for your club, community, or for your friends. So you choose any. So I choose this. Good. So you enter the name of your server here. It's just like creating a group on Facebook or whatever. So let's say Michael TTF. Good. You upload an image just like it's done always. So come here, select this. Just upload this image here. Let me drag this here. It's simple. Yeah, so now you proceed in creating your server. Okay, so yeah, my data is off. So my internet was off, that's why. So TTFGH. Now my data is on. So now let me try creating the server once again. Good, it works. And now this is the link. So I copy the link. I can share the link to people. The invite link expires in 7 days. So when you want to add people, you can just add them on your Discord, or you can copy the link, updated one, and then send it to them. So that's it. I'm done. Good. So this is how it's going to look like. Good. So this is how the server looks like. People can play games here. They can send messages. They can record. They can do everything here. Everything. So that's it.